Hi, my name is Tony, and in this short video we'll go through installing the ZiZZO Handlebar Mirror. The tools you'll need are a Phillips screwdriver and a soft rubber mallet. And the first thing you'll do is you're going to use the handlebar to punch a hole in the grip. And an alternative is you can use an X-Acto knife or razor blade to cut the end of the grip off. But when you use the mallet and you whack the end of the handlebar at the grip, what that handlebar is going to do is it's going to act like a cookie cutter, and it's going to punch a hole in that rubber grip in the exact shape. So the hole is going to be really clean, and it's not going to look, it's not going to have jagged edges as it may with an X-Acto knife. So I'm just going to whack the end a couple of times just to make sure that the once you've punched the hole into the grip, take your mirror and just insert it into the handlebar hole. And here's where you can kind of figure out which angle works best for you. If you want, you can have the mirror out to the side like this. If you want, some people prefer to have the mirror up. Either way, it's very versatile, and some people prefer to have the mirror down. Whatever way that you prefer, just as long as it's easily visible. And then take your Phillips screwdriver and simply tighten the screw right at the end. Don't over tighten it. You don't want to make sure you want to break anything. But you should want to make it tight enough so that it doesn't move and the mirror stays stationary. And that's it.